What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, I got the Braun Rechargeable Pen Light, the 450 lumens. Picked this up at our local Harbor Freight. I went to Harbor Freight just to, I had some free time. I was by Harbor Freight and I went inside the store, just kind of check things out, see what they got new. To spend the time. I was walking through the light section and I came across this. The Braun Rechargeable Pen Light, 450 lumens. I don't have a pen light and I just thought it was, interesting. It was pretty bright at the store, so wanted to do a little unboxing here for you guys. Here's the box, part number 70806. The Braun Rechargeable Pen Light, 450 lumens. As you can see, it has a spring steel pocket clip, like a little pen. Show a little bit of the box. So you can see there's the Type-C rechargeable housing where you plug in your Type-C to charge the light. On the box it says its runtime is up to 9 hours. The range up to 250 feet. It is water resistant, IPX7 rated. Has two modes. There's a high mode, the super max brightness, or the low mode. And you can see, caution, very bright. Do not look directly into the light. So, for the size of the light and what it's advertising, it intrigued me a lot. I had to go pick it up. Here's the back of the packaging. If I can just get it now. Okay. So here's the back of the packaging, the Braun. Again, high 450 lumens, low equals to 110 lumens. At max full brightness up to 4 hours. In the low setting, 9 hours. The high setting can go up to 230 feet. In the low setting, 120 feet. Like a pen, the top of the light has a clickable switch. Press it on, press it off. Super durable, has the aluminum housing, the steel clip like I mentioned earlier, so you can put in your clip onto your pants, your shirt, your pocket, whatever you like. Seal sleeve charging port. So I'm assuming, yeah, there you go. You twist to zoom. And the charging port, I'm assuming you have to twist to get to the Type-C housing. Ideal for tight and narrow areas, which is what I was looking for working on cars. Water dust resistant. Again, housing is IPX7 rated. Ultra high efficiency SMD LED. So yeah, Harbor Freight, made in China. The light bulb here, the flashlight. It comes with the USB charging cord and instructions on the packaging. So to uncover the USB Type-C, you unscrew the USB port cover, insert one of the end to the USB charging cable, into the other one into the charging jack. Plug on the other end of the USB cable into a powered USB port. Charging jack will turn red during charging. When charging is done, it will turn green. Unplug the charging cable, unscrew it, and you're all set to go. So that's actually nice. The pen actually indicates whether it's charging, and once it's in full battery charge, it will indicate a green color. So I like that feature. Just kind of know the status of the light and the charging status. So let me go ahead and take it out of the package, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is what all the content that comes in the box of the Braun Rechargeable Pen Light, the 450 lumen. First, it's just, the owner's manual, safety instruction, talks about the warnings and the information about the light. Some information is the input rating, the battery size, it's the 700 milliamp battery. The charge time from 0 to 100% is 1 hour 45 minutes, and there's a runtime for high and low settings. Some warning and safety information there. This here shows the operation of the rechargeable light. Here's the charging instructions, the cover, the USB Type-C, and here is the battery removal, in case that's something that you want to go ahead and do. And then the back, it just shows you standard limited 90-day warranty through Harbor Freight. So there's that here. And then we put this to the side. Next up, we have the charging cable. The charging cable is USB-A to USB Type-C. It would have been nice if it was USB Type-C to USB Type-C, just because the USB Type-A's are getting phased out. But the fact that it's at least USB-A to USB-C, that's nice. But would like to see but this is acceptable. The pricing of the light is $19.99, so definitely on the cheaper side of the cable here, but it's for a small light, small battery, so it should do fine in any charger you use. And lastly, here is the Braun pen light here. You can see here at the end is IP67 waterproof. The zoom function here in the end, and then here at this piece here is enclosed the USB Type-C housing. It shows you here a little bit of the battery information of the pen light. Again, the 700 milliamp battery. So here's some information there. Braun, the pen clip. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit. Let me stand my phone here. Okay, let me show you a little bit about here. Let me go actually. Just move this out the way. Okay, so here's the Braun light. Here's a pen clip here. It's, definitely a solid material, aluminum. The zoom setting function, you just twist the top. So here's the twisting motion. The top, as you can see, is expanding. This is what makes the light zoom in. So there is peak zoom, and then you twist it back down. As you can see, it's zooming back down. And then the USB Type-C housing, it's right underneath it. So you would want to unscrew this piece here. Okay. So there is the exposed USB charging housing. So you want to connect your USB charging cable, which is included, to here. And there should be a light. I guess I can check it out. Give me a second. So like, for example, if we want to go and charge this, there should be a light. There it is, yes. So we go ahead and plug it in, the red light indicating that the battery is charging. Once it is at full charge, that red light would go ahead and turn green, which is a great feature for this light, just to have an indication of whether it still needs to be charged or it's at full charge. So that's always nice. Pretty straightforward light, super neat. I like that the fact that it is IPX767 water resistant, so that's super nice. The pen function, super bright. I'll go ahead and turn off the lights in this room and just kind of see how bright it goes. Again, I'm not in ideal settings. I'm not outside. It's not 100% dark. It's still bright outside, but in this room, I'll just go ahead and turn off the lights and show you a little bit of the zoom feature and how bright it gets. So let me go and do that now. Okay, so this is the darkest it's going to get here in this room. This is pretty much where I filmed the video. But as you can see, there's a little bit of light coming through these shutters here. But I think it still shows a decent amount of what the light you can expect from the light. So let me go and turn on the light here. So let me go and do that. So here it is. You can see it definitely is bright enough for this room at least. And let me go ahead and zoom out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the light completely zoomed out. Okay. All right, everyone. So this is the room as dark as I can get it. Here are the shutters. Obviously there's some light coming through, but it's still pretty dark in here, and I can go ahead and show you the light and just show a little bit indication of how bright the light can get. So here is the light turned on. As you can see, it does make it pretty bright. So there's that, and let me go ahead and zoom out. You see the light getting bigger. That's as big as focal length there. So you can see the coverage does get a lot bigger. Covers most of this room. So here's off and on. So yeah, here's this light. Super handy for a rechargeable pen light. It's super nice to have. Just thought I should share with you guys this unboxing and a little bit about the light. All right, thanks everyone. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye-bye.